What if I told you there's a single ETF that's returned between 12 and 14% this year, while most investors following traditional strategies are stuck with mediocre returns? And what if I told you this fund does something that sounds absolutely crazy at first, but when you understand it, makes complete sense? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into one of the most innovative investment strategies that's challenging everything we thought we knew about portfolio construction. For decades, the 60-40 portfolio was considered the gold standard of investing. 60% stocks for growth, 40% bonds for stability. It was simple, it was elegant, and it worked beautifully for generations of investors. But then something changed. In 2022, we witnessed something that wasn't supposed to happen. Both stocks and bonds fell together. The diversification benefit that made the 60-40 portfolio so reliable simply vanished. Investors watched helplessly as their balanced portfolios lost value from both sides. The question everyone started asking was simple: is there a better way? Enter the Wisdom Tree US Efficient Core Fund, ticker symbol NTSX. Now, before you click away thinking this is just another boring ETF discussion, hear me out. This fund is doing something radical. It's using leverage, but not in the scary, lose everything overnight way you might think. This is sophisticated, calculated leverage that's been turning heads in the investment world. With $1.24 billion in assets under management and a track record dating back to August 2018, NTSX isn't some experimental fund. It's a proven strategy that's been delivering results. So what exactly is NTSX doing differently? Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of the traditional 60-40 split, NTSX employs what's called a 90-60 strategy. They invest 90% of the fund's assets into large-cap U.S. stocks, companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple. But here's the twist. They simultaneously gain 60% exposure to U.S. Treasury futures contracts. Now, if you're doing the math in your head, you're probably thinking, wait a minute, that's 150% total exposure. And you'd be absolutely right. This is where the magic of capital efficiency comes in. Treasury futures require very little cash collateral, which means the fund can provide full bond market exposure without tying up much capital. So effectively, NTSX gives you 150% market exposure while only using 100% of your invested capital. It's essentially a 1.5 times leveraged version of the classic 60-40 portfolio. But unlike those scary triple-leveraged ETFs you've heard horror stories about, this is a measured approach designed for long-term investors. Now let's talk about performance, because that's what really matters, right? As of October 2025, NTSX has delivered returns that speak for themselves. Year-to-date in 2025, the fund is up between 12 and 14% depending on when you measure it. Looking at the one-year return, we see 15.41%. The 3-year annualized return is even more impressive at 15.92%. Over 5 years, it's delivered 11.64% annually. And since its inception in August 2018, the fund has averaged 11.88% per year. But here's the comparison that really matters. Historical analysis shows that NTSX has generated an annualized return of 15.4% compared to approximately 10.7% for a traditional 60-40 allocation. That's an outperformance of 4.7 percentage points annually. Let that sink in for a moment. Over time, that difference compounds into substantial wealth creation. If you had invested $10,000 in NTSX at inception versus a traditional 60-40 portfolio, you'd be significantly ahead today. Let's peek under the hood and see what this fund actually holds. NTSX's top holdings read like a who's who of American corporate dominance. Nvidia sits at the top with 7.88% of the portfolio. Microsoft comes in at 6.48%, and Apple rounds out the top three at 6.22%. The fund holds 505 total securities, providing broad diversification while maintaining concentrated positions in the companies driving market returns. Technology dominates the sector allocation at 34.5%, followed by financials at 14%, and communication services at 11.5%. The fund also pays quarterly dividends, with the most recent payment in September 2025 being 17 cents per share. Previous quarterly payments were 15.5 cents in June, 13 cents in March, and 17.4 cents back in December 2024. The current distribution yield sits at 1.19%. Now, that's not a huge yield, but remember, this fund is focused on total return, not income generation. The dividends are just a nice bonus on top of the capital appreciation. So, why is this working particularly well right now in 2025? The market environment has shifted in a way that favors NTSX's strategy. After the inflation shock of 2022 and 2023, when stocks and bonds moved together, we're seeing correlations return to normal. The 36-month stock-bond correlation peaked at 0.66 in December 2024, but has decreased to 0.48 by September 2025. This normalization is crucial because NTSX's strategy relies on stocks and bonds providing diversification benefits. When they move in opposite directions during different market conditions, the leveraged approach works beautifully. The Federal Reserve's shift from aggressively fighting inflation to supporting economic growth has also created a more favorable environment. With interest rate concerns easing and growth becoming the focus, both the equity and bond portions of NTSX's portfolio are positioned to benefit. The fund is currently trading at $52.99, down slightly from its 52-week high of $54.47, but well above its 52-week low of $39.92. Now here's the concept that really makes NTSX revolutionary: capital efficiency. Think about it this way. If you can get full 60-40 exposure using only 2/3 of your capital, you've freed up the remaining third for other opportunities. Want to add some real estate exposure? Some commodities? Maybe some international stocks? With NTSX as your core holding, you have the flexibility to do that without sacrificing your basic stock and bond allocation. This approach fundamentally changes how we think about portfolio construction. Instead of asset allocation being a zero-sum game where adding one thing means removing another, capital efficiency lets you have your cake and eat it too. This isn't actually a new concept. A brilliant investor named Cliff Asness proposed this idea way back in 1996 when he was at AQR Capital Management. But it took decades for the idea to become accessible to everyday investors through products like NTSX. What was once only available to sophisticated institutional investors is now available to anyone who can buy an ETF. But let's pump the brakes for a moment and talk about reality. This isn't some magical money-making machine without risks. The leverage that amplifies gains also amplifies losses. During the first quarter of 2022, when both stocks and bonds were falling, NTSX experienced amplified losses compared to unleveraged portfolios. If you had owned this fund during that period, you would have felt more pain than someone in a traditional 60-40 allocation. The fund's 1.5 times leverage factor means when things go wrong, they go more wrong. There's also interest rate sensitivity to consider. Those Treasury futures that provide the bond exposure make the fund vulnerable to interest rate changes. If rates spike unexpectedly, the bond portion of the portfolio could suffer significant losses. And then there's correlation risk. The entire strategy depends on stocks and bonds providing diversification. If they start moving together again, like they did in 2022, that diversification benefit disappears, and you're left with a leveraged portfolio experiencing pain on both sides. So who should actually consider NTSX? This fund is ideal for investors who are comfortable with volatility similar to holding 100% stocks. If market swings keep you up at night, this probably isn't for you. You need a long-term investment horizon, at least 5 years, preferably longer. You should understand how leverage works and be comfortable with the concept. And honestly, you should be someone who sees portfolio construction as a sophisticated exercise, not just throwing money into whatever's hot. Who should avoid this? Conservative investors who prioritize capital preservation. Anyone with a short-term time horizon or who might need to access their money soon. People who panic during market downturns and sell at the worst possible time. If you're someone who checks your portfolio daily and makes emotional decisions, NTSX will likely cause you more harm than good. Let's talk about the practical details. The expense ratio is just 0.2% annually. That means on a $10,000 investment, you're paying just $20 per year in fees. For the sophistication and leverage you're getting, that's incredibly cheap. The fund has a beta of 1.04, meaning it moves roughly in line with the overall market, but with slightly more volatility. The price-to-earnings ratio sits at 28.66, reflecting the growth-oriented nature of its equity holdings. So here's the bottom line. NTSX represents a fundamental evolution in how we think about portfolio construction. The data clearly shows it has outperformed traditional 60/40 allocations since inception. The capital efficiency it provides opens doors to more sophisticated portfolio designs. With its proven track record, reasonable cost structure, and innovative approach, NTSX has established itself as a legitimate alternative to conventional balanced portfolios. But and this is a big but, success with this strategy requires understanding what you're getting into. The complexity is real. The risks are real. The volatility will test your resolve during tough markets. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it investment for most people. It's a tool that, when used properly by investors who understand it, can enhance long-term returns significantly. The future of investing is moving toward capital efficiency and outcome-oriented strategies. NTSX is at the forefront of this movement. Whether it belongs in your portfolio depends entirely on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals. This isn't financial advice, it's education. If you're intrigued by what you've learned today, do more research. Talk to a qualified financial advisor. Consider starting with a small position to see how you handle the volatility. The traditional 60/40 portfolio served investors well for decades, but we're living in a different world now. Innovation in finance is giving us new tools to potentially achieve better outcomes. NTSX is one of those tools. Whether you choose to use it or not, understanding how capital-efficient strategies work makes you a more informed investor. And in the end, knowledge is the best investment you can make. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive valuable, hit that subscribe button for more investing education. Drop a comment below and let me know, are you considering capital-efficient strategies for your portfolio? I read every comment. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.